Hello friends, welcome back guys. Like, subscribe here. I am going to apply that beautiful and an awesome frame options on the pictures like that one. So dear guys, that frame have been adjusted in our pictures. Now we are going to make our photo better. Here I would go on that options. Now guys, I would choose these options to apply on the image. So we could try any kind of options among them, and now we could choose the ratios for it. And like that one and that. So guys, I